Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unmatch on Tinder. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to unmatch someone, open up your Tinder application and make sure that you're logged in. Open up your chat with that person by tapping on the chat bubble at the bottom right hand corner. Once you open up the chat, tap on the flag icon at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up displaying at the bottom, tap on Unmatch. Confirm your selection by tapping Yes Unmatch again in the pop-up, and that way you'll be able to unmatch with someone on Tinder. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.